The view's fine.
Some incredible stuff.
Yeah. Now this is Laurent Wiese, this car. He's actually a 7 Spot member, and I wish he was here because he's kind of having a look. Yeah, I can't see him just yet. But this is an amazing car. He actually, his story is he actually bought this car from a neighbor. And as you can see, it is not a Lotus, but it is a Lotus-inspired vehicle. And his car was an absolute basket case when he got it. And it is so different. Have a look at this, guys. It has leaf springs, transverse leaf springs, front and rear on this.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing? And what engine does he have on this? Dave, do you recall?
Sorry, Jim?
What engine does Laurent have in this vehicle?
Oh, it's a Crossflow Cortina 1600 Crossflow.
Right, might as well wear this.
Ooh, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can't do without those. We're getting to that age.
Sorry, Jim.
No front fenders or a roll bar?
No.
No roll bar.
No roll bar. This is pure inspiration, guys. Look at this. And he's been, if he was here, he could tell us the story. He's been in such a basket case that, like, everything didn't work. And if he drove it, it was like a life-changing event. But now it's all sorted, goes like hell. And you know, this car weighs, like mine is pretty light. Mine's a bike engine, and it weighs about 1,000 pounds. He says that this is, I think he said 1,300 pounds.
Yeah.
With a cross-flow engine, a big lump of iron. How the heck? Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? Wow.
No, he's done a great job on this one. And the front end obviously is quite an interesting component. Seen a live axle on the front end.
I was going to say, with those rods coming out, yeah.
Check out this, though, the exhaust. Now, it's too bad he didn't hear to open up the bonnet for us, because it's got a fully self-engineered exhaust manifold with one outlet.
Space is a bit of a constraint, and his exhaust manifold, as Jim was pointing out, is quite an interesting concept with everything coming into one header. Very reminiscent of pre-war old Bentleys and things like that. Yeah,
exactly. And the old races around Brooklands. Yeah,
that's it. Yeah.
What a retro car! Amazing. I love it. Let's keep wandering.
So many different cars there,
Transfer spring, front axle.
It's been quite an amazing turnout.
This is the first post-pandemic presentation of cars at the ABFM.